Alright, now let's style our right-hand side list, okay? So first of all, like we did for the left-hand side list, let's just add some padding at the top of the another list. So rather than styling the left sidebar and the right sidebar with the same styling, we're just going to use the class sidebar, okay? And now both our lists, they have some padding at the top, and they are at the same level now, okay? So we're going to need a picture to style our list. So let's go to our logo maker website. Let's delete this one for now by clicking on delete, and we're going to look for a tick. And let's pick up one of these. Let's pick up this one, okay? And let's change the color to this same green. So I'm gonna pick this color using the ColorZilla. Okay, and let's paste it there. Click enter, okay? And let's save this picture. Okay, and again, don't forget to copy this author information and place it somewhere on your website, okay? All right. So I've got the picture on my desktop. I'm gonna change the title to tick, okay? And then I'm gonna move it to my images folder, okay? And now to style the list, okay? We can either use the list style image like we did for the left sidebar, okay? Otherwise, there is another property we can use. So let's first access our list items. So we're going to go to the right sidebar, and we're going to be accessing the URL and then the LIs, and then first of all, let's add some padding bottom like we did for the other list. Okay, let's go for 6 pixels as well. Okay. And now let's add our images, and this time I'm going to use the background property. Okay. And then we're going to set that to URL followed by the location of the image that we want to use, and it's going to be this one, tick.png. And we can see that we see many pictures there. So to avoid that, we're going to go for no repeats. Okay. Now you can see only one picture for each list item, and we are going to place it horizontally on the left. Okay. And also we are going to place it in the center vertically. Okay, so at the moment it's still big, and also it's going inside the text. So to avoid this, we are going to add some padding left. Okay, and let's go for 30 pixels or 60, even 70. Okay, also we're going to change the size of the picture. Okay, so let's go inside the Explorer. Okay, let's open using Paint, and let's resize our picture. So I'm going to go for something like 40 pixels by 39. Let's save and close this. And if we refresh our page, now the image is smaller. Okay. All right, let's add some more padding to our list items. So the padding bottom We're going to give it 20 pixels, for example. That looks better. And just to make our text aligned vertically with the picture, we're going to add some padding top equal to the padding bottom. Okay, so if we do something like this, padding top 20 pixels, we can see that now the text is centered with the picture. Okay, so rather than writing all these padding properties, we can just write one simple padding property. Okay, and we're going to start with the top side. Okay, so we're going to have 4 values. First one is the top side, so it's going to be 20 pixels, and then the right side 0, and then bottom is going to be 20, and the left one is 70 pixels. And we can get rid of all these ones. Okay, so okay, probably 20 pixels. Looks okay. Let's make it a little bit smaller, so let's go for 17 for the top and 17 for the bottom. That looks fine. And we're going to do the same thing for the other list. Okay, so we're going to add some top padding as well. So let's go for 6 pixels for the top, and then 0 for the right, 6 for the bottom, and then 10 for the left. Okay, and now it looks centered as well. All right. Let's reduce the padding a little bit here because we're going out of the border of the sidebar. Okay, so rather than 6, we can go for 4, for example. And now it looks better.